Now guys, the next gadget that we have today is also a smartphone, and this is coming from the house of Motorola. It is the latest in their Fusion series. This is the Moto Edge 60 Fusion, and I think Motorola is doing a really good job overall. If you look at their smartphones in the recent years, is that they are offering a nice package in approximate, all the segments. Talk about budget phones, talk about mid-range phones, talk about premium phones, they have something there. And I think ये जो H60 Fusion है, it is again a complete package, a very exciting one from Motorola. Let's see up close कि आखिर इस फोन में Motorola ने क्या-क्या पैक किया है, what all specifications and at what price.
Hello Moto.
The Moto Edge 60 Fusion succeeds the Edge 50 Fusion as the entry-level model in Motorola's Edge series. ये दो variants में आता है, 8GB RAM plus 256GB of storage और 12GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. The phone features a soft-touch vegan leather back panel with a seamlessly integrated camera module. इसमें triple rear camera setup है with 50 megapixel primary camera, a 13 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera और एक 3-in-1 ambient light sensor. It has a 32 megapixel front camera as well. ये 4K 60 FPS तक की video recording support करता है. The side rails have a matte finish with buttons on the right side and a clean left hand side. नीचे speaker grill, USB Type-C port और SIM tray मिलती है. It sports a 6.67-inch 1.5K curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Moto Edge 60 Fusion uses the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 SoC. It packs a 5500 mAh battery and it runs on Android 15.